In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let me show you how to add Gmail account on the following device. So if you'd like to use your Gmail here as your mail app, just go to the settings, then find it, pick mail, and click on add account. Then select Google because Gmail is on Google. Okay, so firstly make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, otherwise it will not be possible to do it. So this one is mine. Let me just enter the password of the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. Actually tap on join to connect the network. And now we can go to the accounts again. So pick Google and tap on continue. Now it's time to enter your email address or phone number. And click on next then. And provide the password. Just let me do it off the screen. And once the password is entered, tap on next. And that's it. As you can see, your Gmail account has been added, and here you can leave the email indicator active to have your email account included here. Just tap on save. And now if you will enter email right here, you will be able to see details of your account. So this is it. That will be all. As you can see, here is my inbox. And this is it. That will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.